When you join our academy, you will unlock new heights for your business. Both structurally and financially, you can start to see the benefits right from the get-go. Now, some of the results that you're just about to see have been achieved by our academy members in just 1 to 3 months. So, let's take a look.
So I'd probably fit 2 to 4 boilers a month personally. The figures have changed drastically. We now regularly fit around the 20 mark.
Before joining the programme, I was doing around about 2 boilers a month, and now I'm consistently doing 8 to 10. Sold 21 in January, fitted 15. Done 10 this month so far.
Just started 2 weeks ago. I had 10 appointments, closed 6, and 2 of them were in the house, so going well.
Turnover was around 150,000 for the year. We're about 1.3 million now.
We sold 28 boilers last year, and we should do 11 this month.
Done 8 boilers in our first month. We're doing like 1 or 2 basically before that.
Next month, I think we're projecting about £250,000, 117 properties to install solar on.
117?
I could be on one project for 9 months to generate the same revenue or profit that you could do off 10 solar installs. And you'd be done in 20, 30 days.
Past 6 months, we're winning contracts over £1 million. So yeah, business is good so far.
Just closed out our first year. We came in at 350,000. We've got about £1 million worth of orders going forward to this year.
We've just done 11 EV chargers. We managed to get, a 15 grand solar job over the line yesterday, which is great.
How many are you doing a month in EV then?
Do about 20.
Way on target to the £1 million. I've got a son on the way during like 2 weeks. Hopefully give a bit of time back for him. So since the discovery day, I've doubled my turnover, 300k to about 600k.
Our sales figure probably about 30 grand 2 weeks ago. It's 149,500 now.
My estimates that I did for the whole of last year turned out to be about 1.4, and I worked out my conversion rate was 65%.
I've just secured a 30 grand job through the leads. I finally started giving a price in the house. The first time I did it, I got the job. The lead gens was going brilliant as usual. To be fair, there's too much.
I've got the ability now to work way less hours. What I've learned here is just going to times 10 by the next couple of years, I would have said.
I was doing around 60 grandish, something like that. I've only been here 2 months and I've doubled that already. 2 weeks worth of work with 75 grand's worth in just 14 days. The advice that I've listened to off Joe and Paul to be able to do it exactly how they've told me to do it, and it's worked.